Welcome to BN Car Info, your ultimate destination for the latest reviews, insights, and updates on all things automotive and motorcycles. If you're passionate about bikes and cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay updated with all the new content we bring to you regularly. Today, we're diving into the details of the new 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400, one of the most anticipated motorcycles in the entry-level sport bike segment. Packed with refined features and a powerful performance-oriented design, the Ninja 400 continues to dominate as an excellent choice for both new riders and experienced enthusiasts. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 stays true to its sporty heritage while introducing a range of updates to make it even more compelling. At the heart of the bike is a 399cc parallel twin engine that delivers exceptional power and torque for a machine of this class. The engine is tuned for a balanced performance, offering a smooth and linear power delivery that ensures both city and highway riding are an absolute pleasure. The 6-speed gearbox is optimized for seamless shifts, and the inclusion of a slipper clutch ensures enhanced stability during aggressive downshifting, which is perfect for spirited riding sessions. Kawasaki has worked on refining the frame and ergonomics of the 2025 Ninja 400 to cater to riders of all experience levels. The lightweight trellis frame provides excellent agility and precise handling, making it a joy to maneuver through tight corners or navigate busy urban streets. The seat height of 785 mm is designed to accommodate riders of varying heights, and the overall ergonomics strike a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. For those who enjoy long rides, the slightly relaxed handlebar position and well-padded seat ensure fatigue-free journeys. When it comes to design, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 embraces its aggressive DNA with a sharper and more aerodynamic bodywork. The dual LED headlights provide excellent visibility and a modern aesthetic, while the redesigned fairings enhance the bike's sporty appeal and improve airflow for better stability at higher speeds. The vibrant color schemes and graphics options for this model ensure that you'll stand out wherever you ride. The bike's overall weight of just 168 kilograms makes it lightweight yet sturdy, further enhancing its versatility for a range of riding styles. The Ninja 400 is equipped with high-performance features to complement its advanced engineering. The 41mm telescopic front forks and a preloaded adjustable rear monoshock offer a well-balanced suspension setup, ensuring superior handling and comfort across different terrains. The braking system is equally impressive, featuring a 310mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc with dual-channel ABS as standard, providing exceptional stopping power and added safety for every ride. The tires are grippy and reliable, further adding to the confidence-inspiring experience of riding the Ninja 400. For technology enthusiasts, Kawasaki has integrated a range of modern features into the 2025 Ninja 400. The bike now includes a fully digital instrument cluster, offering essential information such as speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and even a clock. The display is clear and easy to read, even under direct sunlight. The inclusion of an assistant slipper clutch not only adds to the convenience but also enhances the overall control and stability of the bike. Additionally, the improved fuel efficiency of the engine ensures you get a decent range for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. With its outstanding combination of performance, design, and technology, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 continues to be a leading option in the entry-level sport bike segment. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first sport bike or a seasoned rider seeking a reliable and fun machine, the Ninja 400 delivers on all fronts. It's no surprise that this bike remains a favorite among riders worldwide. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more reviews and updates on the latest bikes and cars. At BN Car Info, We bring you the best insights and keep you informed about all of the vehicles you love. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.